The stock market once thought solar energy was doomed under Trump. But here's the twist that's turning skeptics into believers. Back in 2017, when the Trump administration rolled out policies favoring fossil fuels and imposed tariffs on solar imports, many investors wrote off the renewable energy sector as a dead end. Fast forward to today, and solar stocks are surging, defying early predictions. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this solar stock surge a sustainable revolution or a bubble waiting to burst? Let's break it down. The initial skepticism made sense. Trump's tax cuts for oil and gas, combined with his America First energy agenda, seemed to prioritize coal and oil over clean energy. Solar companies faced higher costs due to tariffs on Chinese-made panels, and some analysts declared the sector a lost cause. However, what most people missed was the quiet but relentless shift in global energy dynamics. As the cost of solar panels plummeted by over 80% since 2010, thanks to manufacturing efficiencies and scale, and as countries like China and the EU doubled down on green energy goals, the market began to reevaluate. Even Trump's own infrastructure plans, though vague, hinted at potential support for renewable projects. And this is the part most people miss: the rise of ESG, environmental, social governance investing. By 2023, over $30 trillion in global assets were tied to ESG criteria, with solar energy at the forefront. Companies like First Solar and NextEra Energy saw their stock prices skyrocket as demand for clean energy outpaced supply. But here's a thought-provoking question. Could this growth be partly fueled by hype rather than hard facts? For example, some solar stocks rely on government subsidies or long-term contracts that might not hold up if policies change. Are we seeing a green bubble similar to the dot-com era? We'd love to hear your take in the comments. Do you think solar stocks are here to stay, or is this just a passing trend? Now, let's address the legal stuff. Yes, even in a fun article, we've got to do this. The information here is for educational purposes only. We're not financial advisors, and we're not telling you to buy or sell anything. The data we use comes from sources we believe are reliable, but we can't guarantee it's 100% accurate or timely. Past performance doesn't predict future results, and the authors might own the stocks they discuss. For full terms, check out our terms of use. Real-time prices, they're powered by NASDAQ last sale. But remember, not all markets are covered. Ownership data, that's from LSEG. Estimates, FactSet's the source. And yes, all those cool names like IBD, MarketDM, and Leaderboard are trademarks we own. 2025 Investors Business Daily, LLC. All rights reserved. Now go out there and debate this, because that's how we all learn.